Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 宝 step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 宝 To defend, to keep. For example, 确保 确保 to ensure. To guarantee. Check this sentence. They can ensure high levels of efficiency. They can ensure high levels of efficiency. 这意味着他们可以确保高水平的效率。这意味着他们可以确保高水平的效率。这意味着他们可以确保 They can ensure高水平 high levels 的效率。They can ensure high levels of efficiency. 保 in cursive.保 to defend, to keep. 确保 to ensure. To guarantee, they can ensure high levels of efficiency. 这意味着他们可以确保高水平的效率。保 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 保. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.